Today is day number 1,950 of buying $1 of Bitcoin every day. Bitcoin current price is just under $70,000. I have 0.1229 Bitcoin in my balance. Let's take a look at some Bitcoin data. So here's a quick Bitcoin chart. We're kind of in this range between 60,000 and 71,000. And this is basically the highest that Bitcoin has ever been, price-wise, in US dollars and definitely in other countries' currencies. If we see a breakout here, Bitcoin is kind of in price discovery mode because we've never been this high. Bitcoin addresses with over 1 Bitcoin. So we did kind of top out here around 1,024,000 addresses, and we've been going down a little bit. So I wouldn't be surprised if that was the top ever. Because if Bitcoin continues to get more expensive, it's going to become harder and harder for people to acquire 1 Bitcoin in their wallet. Bitcoin on exchanges, which is going to be this green line here, 2.72 million at the beginning of the year, down over 200,000 Bitcoin on exchanges available for sale, so that's good. We want to see this green line going down, and this is a pretty short time frame chart. This has been going down pretty much since the previous halving, but the latest halving was somewhere around here, so pretty sharp decreases since then. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. I'm using the Strike app. As you can see, I just did a transfer to my wallet 11 hours ago. I basically buy on Strike, and then when there's enough in here to do a free transaction, I just send it over to my other wallet. Let's tap buy, tap $1, tap next, tap confirm. Just like that, I've purchased $1 of Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and do the math on this. We'll give it a refresh. So we got 8561 here, $1 in my wallet, so that's 8562 divided by 1,950 days equals a 4.39x on my investment, just using this $1 a day dollar cost averaging strategy. Let's go ahead and do the total gained. 8562 minus 1,950 days equals $6,612 gained. You can't really beat that. Again, I think this is a low risk strategy that anyone can do. You just take $1 a day and you buy Bitcoin. And I think everybody that started doing this from this experiment or seen this and said, hey, I should try that, they've had some sort of success so far. So really you just have to commit to it long term. If you believe in Bitcoin, then why not go for it, you know? That'll do it for today's video. I hope you guys found this helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.